One of the great guidelines that Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and other government agencies insist upon with construction loans is that lenders are required to add a 10% contingency buffer to a construction budget. And that's in case of cost overruns. After all, it's construction. When aren't there surprises and cost overruns? During COVID and inflation, that 10% buffer has come in very handy to make sure that by adding an extra 10% onto the budget, my clients have enough money to get through all the way construction without raiding their savings account or cashing out their 401k. So, great rule of thumb. Take a look at your construction budget and then add a 10% contingency buffer or 10% more to make sure you have enough money to cover the entire cost of construction.